Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna tell you foods to eat when you feel nauseous. Let's get started. First of all, nausea is not a disease, it's a symptom. Eating may be the last thing you feel like doing when your stomach is upset. But some foods actually ease the symptoms. It's also vital to stay hydrated by drinking clear beverages such as water or soda, especially to replace lost fluids if vomiting. Viruses, food poisoning, motion sickness, pregnancy, digestive issues, medications can cause nausea. And actually there is a diet for nausea and diarrhea. It's called BRAT diet. It consists of foods that are gentle on the stomach. BRAT stands for B for bananas, R for rice, A for applesauce, T for toast. But you should know that prolonged use of this diet may lead to malnutrition. Malnutrition means deficiencies or excesses, basically imbalances in a person's intake of nutrients. Because it contains too few calories and not enough of the vital nutrients, you should be able to start eating a more regular diet, including fruits and vegetables, within about 24 to 48 hours after vomiting or having diarrhea. And other than that, you can eat apples, because apples contain fiber, which helps you to get rid of toxins faster. Also, fiber slows down digestion. It's possible that the slowing of the intestinal transit may help ease digestion and relieve nausea. Lemon is also helpful. Lemon juice and lemonade are good remedies for nausea because lemons contain neutralizing acids which form bicarbonates, compounds that help relieve nausea. Actually, there was a study about it in a 2014 study. They found that simply inhaling scent of a fresh lemon allowed pregnant women to experience less nausea and vomiting. Crackers can also be helpful. Starchy foods such as crackers and pretzels can help absorb stomach acid and ease nausea. Lastly, I have some tips. Try keeping a little food in your stomach at all times, because having a completely empty stomach may worsen nausea. You should stay upright, either in a chair or propped up with pillows, for at least 30 to 60 minutes after eating. If possible, avoid the kitchen when food is being prepared to avoid strong food smells. And keeping hydrated is important. If you cannot do so on your own, your doctor may suggest fluid infusions in the clinic. And lastly, do not mix hot and cold foods. And these are the suggestions. And if you like it, please push that like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next video.